Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, or products in my hand, and it's by the brand called Humixx, if you guys can see right here. And pretty much what these are iPhone 11 Pro cases that are all clear cases series. So first thing first, let's actually unbox all of them and show you guys what it looks like and then put it on the actual phone itself. So when you first open the package, first thing you guys get inside is obviously the little thank you and warranty card right here. So first one we get right here is all clear case. That's part of their clear series case. This one in particular has the white exterior or like the white sides right here, as you can see. Very nice kind of build quality. It has this nice kind of grippy materials on the side of the case. So let's actually put it on right now to show you what the phone looks like on the case. So this is what the first one looks like. I actually kind of like the color itself, but I don't like showing off my backside like how I mentioned in all my videos for testing cases and whatnot. Let's move on to the next one. Next one we have right here, they also provide you the thank you card, but for this one in particular it's all clear, so it doesn't have any design or any colors throughout the case. Literally all clear inside and outside the case itself. It's not really flexible at all, so you guys can see it's not bendable or anything, so it protects the case. So putting on the phone for all these cases is actually really easy because it snaps on pretty easy as well. So once you snap it on, this is what it looks like for this case right here, if you guys can see. Doesn't look like you guys have a case on at all, if you guys can see, but obviously you guys can kind of see there's a case, but what I'm trying to say is it doesn't look like it has one, but it does has one. So that's the clear case itself. Same thing as all the other cases, same kind of design, opening on the bottom for the speakers and whatever. Buttons works really well as well. So that's the second case. Let's go to the third and final case before we talk more about the product. So for the third and final one right here, we have a same thing. So they provide a little thank you card in the bottom, and then here is the case itself. So for this one in particular, it is a see-through clear series kind of design right here, but then on the outside it's all black, which is pretty cool. Very nice kind of look to it. Let's put it on to show you guys what it looks like real quick. So all you have to do is same thing for the other ones as well. To snap on each corner. This one in particular actually looks kind of nice. It has a clear back design, if you guys can see, and then on the side is all like a black kind of coloring, but the grip on these are actually really nice. Button wise works really well, if you guys can see, easy to use. Same for these two as well. So pretty much these are the three cases that you guys can use for the iPhone 11 Pro that is part of the clear series. And probably most of you guys want to know, can it be wirelessly charged? And the answer is yes. You guys can use these cases to charge wirelessly if you guys want to. And the cool thing about all these cases is the fact that they did a military drop test just to test out how well the drop tests are for all these cases. So that's pretty much everything about these cases. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this case in particular costs around $15 to $16, and for that price range, would I say that is actually worth it or not? So for those of you guys who watch my video, you guys would know that I have to say that any case in particular that does its job to protect the phone is worth it, regardless of the price. But I would definitely recommend you guys getting somewhere between $15 to $20 or less than that to have a case. Anything more than that is probably like a rip-off or too much money, and you guys don't want to spend that much to protect your phone. Something like this is basically enough to protect your phone. Or if you guys want to use the cases that I've showed you guys in the past where it has the screen protector built in, you guys can have the option as well. But any case in particular is really worth it to protect your phone, because you guys don't want to pay that like $100 or $200 to repair your phone if the back of the front cracks. But then obviously for those guys who are like risk takers and don't want to buy a case or don't want to use a case, then obviously you guys shouldn't buy this case or any cases in particular, and just save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback of the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have